Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. Today we have the follow-up video to the ceramic waterless shootout. As you can see, hopefully the camera picks this up. We are exactly a week later, same vehicle. We're going to go ahead and wash the hood. Going to do a pre-soak with Angel Wax Cleanliness, and then we're going to hit it with one pass of our strip wash. I don't know if you can see it, but right here in the middle of the hood, you can see the control line and some sort of protection here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it stands out. But without me babbling, let's get this thing washed. We're going to wash this just like we would any vehicle to make sure we get an accurate test here. Now, obviously, you wouldn't actually wash it with a strip wash, but I want to see if it'll last a week and then one pass with a strip wash. And if they all pass that, then we're going to do a 10 wash test. So we're going to give that a couple minutes, let it emulsify and grab everything. You can see that it's bubbling a little bit. Angel Wax Cleanliness is probably our favorite pre-soak. For maintenance washes, we up that with TACSystem Iron Zero Foam. It's a nice little way to be able to get some iron remover as well as a pre-soak for maintenance at the same time. So let's get this rinsed. Let me bring you in for a first-person view here. If you remember, this is the Meguiar's ceramic wash and wax. This is the TACSystem Aqua Waterless. And over here on this side is the DIY ceramic waterless wash. If I had to pick a clear winner right here, right now, at least in beating after a week without actually having a contact wash, I'd have to say it's TACSystem, followed by DIY, with Meguiar's coming in third. And based on what I'm seeing, I'm gonna throw up a hot take right here, right now. So let me get this pre-wash off the windshield. I think, and we'll see, I think the Meguiar's is going to fail after we foam it with strip wash and foam it down and rinse. I think that's what's going to happen. So let's see. Got a foam cannon with our strip wash, and our strip wash is the original Adams green strip wash with an ounce of .3D Grand Slam in it. As you can see, it's a nice, rich, thick foam. Grab the mitt out of our bucket. give it a rinse. Let's see if we have any protection left, shall we? Well, I don't know what you're seeing in the video here, but at least after one strip wash, we have a champion already. And I'm sure you can see it in the video. Let me bring you guys in for a first-person view here. Hard to see on white. I don't know if you can see that or not. The only spot that shows the control line or anything is the TACSystem Aqua Waterless. Let's see how the water behavior is. Here's the Meguiar side. Here's the TACSystem side. It's turned to sheeting more than beating. It took a nice hit with that wash. And then here is the DIY side. So I'd have to say the only one that has any protection left is the Aqua Waterless. Let's see how many washes we can do on it before it fails. What do you say? Let's give it a whirl. Might as well just stay here. It's still sheeting, but ever so slowly. So what are we, 4 washes in now? Let's keep going. I thought that was going to do it in, but it's still sheeting. Barely. I'd have to say another pass or two, and it's probably going to be completely gone. Let's find out. And I think we failed. But I have to admit, a week of not washing it and driving it in the elements, and to hit it with 6 strip washes is really, really, really impressive, if you ask me. So I would have to declare TACSystem the winner on slickness as well as longevity. And I would have to say DIY came in number 2. and Meguiar's came in third. What are you folks seeing? Do you agree with me? Let me know in the comments section below. I truly appreciate everybody that has sponsored the channel throughout the years, through our ups and downs, through our move from Ohio to Texas. I greatly appreciate everybody taking the time out of their lives to give us 3 to 10 minutes of their valuable time to watch our videos. There's going to be a lot more videos coming in the upcoming weeks. I have a wheel cleaner shootout that I filmed probably a month ago and have had not enough time to assemble. That's going to be coming out soon. And there's going to be somebody rear-ended this Kia in a parking lot and put a nice old scratch in the rear bumper. That's going to be coming as well. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing, located in Little Elm, Texas, serving the Frisco, Prosper, Salina, McKinney areas, as well as the surrounding areas. I will catch everybody in the next video. Have a great week, everybody. See you all soon.